This program is designed for professionals who are already leading. You have built your career and now it's time to go further, and you can elevate it with Les Roches. Our EMBA program gives you the strategic tools, the global perspective, and the executive mindset to operate at the very top of the industry. Whether you're managing a property, leading a team, or running a business, this program is built around you. You will learn from faculty that understands what it means to operate at an executive level, and you will do it alongside peers from all over the world, bringing together combined decades of experience into every conversation. The format is designed for busy professionals, intensive, flexible, and deeply practical. This program is split into 4 modules, where each module lasts in about 3 months and diving into different types of courses, offering an opportunity for the faculty to connect with students into live sessions and drop-in sessions. The live sessions are led by the professors, bringing in new content and new theory into the classroom, where the drop-in sessions are led by the participants themselves by adding more conversation and more case studies into the world of hospitality. What is exciting about this program is the immersion into 2 residential weeks, giving you the opportunity to connect in person with your peers, as well as experience the campus in Switzerland and in another international location. If you're ready to lead in a global stage, then the Les Roches MBA is the next step for you.